Xiaolu battery advanced tooling and process for battery shelling ensure precise alignment, consistent pressure, and high throughput. This minimizes defects, enhances structural integrity, and optimizes the assembly for efficient mass production, resulting in high-quality, durable battery units. Xiaolu adopted highly efficient, utilizing advanced machinery to precisely position and seal battery components. This high-speed operation reduces manual intervention, ensures uniform quality, and significantly increases production throughput, enhancing overall manufacturing productivity and consistency. Component handling, consistent assembly, and optimized workflow, easier to meet high-demand production targets. Xiaolu Batteries gaskets on battery caps features a highly automated system that ensures precise placement and alignment. Vacuuming dust during battery cleaning ensures cleanliness can maintain high standards of cleanliness, leading to improved efficiency, product quality, and long-term reliability of the batteries.